School learning. Jojo, look! There is a car.
Car! Beep, beep, beep.
And there is also a puppy. What kind of sound does a puppy make?
Woof, woof. Jojo loves them.
Let's make friends with them.
Yeah. Hi, I am Jojo.
Number 1. Let's fit the numbers in the right place.
1.
This is the number 1. What does this number look like? The number 1 looks like a pencil. The number 1 looks like a tree branch.
Choose one of these seeds. Tomato. 1. Let's water the plant. 1.
Wow, the fruits are ripe. Let's pick the fruits.
1.
2. This is the number 2. The number 2 looks like a duck. The number 2 looks like a rocking horse.
1, 2. The calf is hungry.
2. 2. This is the number 2. The number 2 looks like a duck. The number 2 looks like a rocking horse.
1, 2. The chick is so hungry. Can you feed it? 1. 2.
Wow! The chickens have grown up. Let's collect the eggs.
1. 2.
3. This is the number 3. The number 3 looks like a person's ear. The number 3 looks like a butterfly's wing.
Choose one of these seeds. Corn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's water the plant. 1. 2. 3.
Wow, the fruits are ripe. Let's pick the fruits.
1, 2, 3.
4. This is the number 4. The number 4 looks like a sailboat. The number 4 looks like a flag.
1, 2, 3, 4. The calf is hungry. Let's feed it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, the cow has grown up. Let's milk the cow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. This is the number 5. The number 5 looks like a hook. The number 5 looks like a seahorse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The chick is so hungry. Can you feed it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow! The chickens have grown up. Let's collect the eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's do it with Jojo! Comparing numbers to objects in daily life can help kids better remember the numbers. Hi! Animal. Dog. 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 Bones. Dog. Dog. Bones. 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 Rabbit. 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 Carrot. 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 Carrots.
fish. Big fish. Cat. Cat.
Elephant. 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 Fruits.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey. Monkey. Monkey. Bananas.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep. Let's do it with Jojo!